All right, old Skiddy's up to bat again with the boom attachment. It's got to get into a tight space where the reach lift can't get around the building, so I'm locked out. I'm gonna use my equipment. All right, getting the Skiddy back here, flying some beams and columns in a super tight area. Yeah, no room. All in beams with a skid steer. Love it. Love using my equipment on the job site. Well, better come up a hair. Probably shouldn't be filming that. Well, the old Skiddy did it again. She was up to bat today, set all 3 beams, 4 columns in a super tight area on a jive site where there's tons of equipment, but nothing could get in where Skiddy and Boom could. So I'm pretty blessed. There she goes. Pretty cool day. Good job. Life is good. Another look at our columns and header going in. Truck's over there. Still getting all the connections kind of lined up. Yeah, skid steer barely fit in here.